Hi, this is Anachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Aditya Birla Fashion. So the stock is very good, and after a good retracement, the stock is now bullish. So we can expect a good rally in the stock for short term. So let me draw the trend line that governs the stock. So this can be considered as the major trend line, and the stock is currently facing some resistance around the price range of 300, and the breakout of the price range 300 can trigger a further rally, and current market price entry is quite not advisable for the stock, but the stock is good and bullish, so entering at current market price is also fine, and add more positions above the price range of 310 so that you will get a good averaging. So the stock is bullish right now, and we can expect a good rally in the stock for short term. So now let's move to the weekly chart to understand further. So in the weekly chart, the stock shows a good bullish signal, and let me draw the trend line that governs the stock. So this can be considered as a diverging wedge. So currently the stock, after hitting the resistance, it started moving lower. After hitting the demand zone, the stock once again started moving higher. So taking entry at current market price is fine, or else one can also take entry above the price range of 310, and the breakout of the price range of 310 will trigger a further rally. So let me use the Fibonacci extension tool to understand the retracement levels. After hitting the 0.5 Fibonacci level, the stock started moving higher, and one can enter the stock at current market price because the stock after retracement started moving higher. So it's a bullish sign, and for safe entry, just enter the stock only above the price range of 310 so that you will get a good trend without any disturbances. So it's very easy stock to go long, and the weekly chart shows the stock is bullish. So now let's move to the daily chart, but before moving to the daily chart, click the above I button to view the video published yesterday. So the idea published yesterday has delivered almost 10% within a day. So if you haven't watched that video, kindly watch it to understand the price action movements of such momentum stocks. So now let's move to the daily chart to understand further. So in the daily chart, the stock looks bullish, and the stock shows some weakness around the price range of 289. So it's a small weakness, so it's not at all a problem. And let me move to the 2-hour chart to understand the charts further. So this type of hourly chart analysis will help us to understand the short-term trends. So let me clear all the trend lines, and let me draw the trend line here. So this can be considered as a major resistance trend line, and the stock gave a breakout from the resistance trend line and started moving higher. So after good retracement, the stock hit at a price range of 270, and then it started moving lower, and after hitting the demand zone, the stock once again started moving higher. So for very short term, you can consider the price range of 310 as the target. It's for very short term, and one can also take intraday trades based on this. So the stock is bullish, and one can enter the stock above the price range of 290, and the price range of 310 can be taken as a target. So by using this technique, you can able to capture almost 6% upside. So it's very easy to go along in the stock for short and intraday, and the stock is good and bullish. So enter the stock at current market price and ride the trend using the 50-day exponential moving average for short term. And for intraday, the stock should place above the price range of 290, and the price range of 310 can be taken as the target for the stock. So the stock is bullish for short term, so take entry above the price range of 310, and we can use Fibonacci extension tool to understand the price action targets. So the price range of 355 can be taken as the short term target. So the short term target is very easily achievable because the stock has good momentum, and take entry at current market price or above the price range of 310. So from the price range of 310, it's almost 14% upside. So it's good to go long in the stock for short and long term. So that's all for today. If you feel the content has delivered a value, just consider hitting like button. And finally, thank you for watching our videos.